Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game version and platform so you don't waste time on features that moved. Once updated, make sure you have 500 coins or the exact currency shown. That's the purchase gate. Open the map and navigate directly to the in-game shop or event kiosk where the Bing Bong Beanie is listed. You're acting now, so hit the nearest fast travel point. Don't wander. This gets you into the right menu quickly and prevents UI confusion later. Once at the kiosk, locate the limited items list and select the Bing Bong Beanie. The interface may hide it under seasonal tabs, so scan carefully. If there's a one-click purchase, use it to avoid misclicks. If crafting is required, combine the 3 listed materials in your inventory. Drag items to the crafting slot and hit craft. After purchase or craft, immediately confirm the trade-in or redeem the code shown so the item moves into your wardrobe. Closing too fast can cancel the transaction. To finish, open your wardrobe or outfit menu and equip the Bing Bong Beanie to the correct head slot. Verify the appearance on your avatar in a mirror or preview window so it isn't blocked by other cosmetics. If it doesn't appear, log out and restart the game. That often forces a sync. Once done, check your purchase history for the order ID. If problems persist, contact support with that order ID and a screenshot for a faster resolution. This gives them what they need to restore the item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.